Welcome back to the Chosen.
Carry mo
Oh,
on.
uh, yes, you would know you laugh first. Welcome back to the Chosen. Wait, stop dialing it, ka. Welcome back to the Chosen Vibe with another episode. We know how consistent, buddy,
Ay, bro, 2 episodes in
but
consistent.
at least we doing it on time, like we said.
Now we trying to focus me, bro.
And it's early, bruh. As
No,
me want me to do podcast so early. Nagayta.
away. Nee,
That's
yung
why I
mas
look so
ameno ba
sleepy,
word?
me, bro.
Yasa, wala na most. Kasi
Yeah, but I mean later didn't mean fucking now.
10 in the
But
morning.
let us do it, man. Welcome to the
Ah,
fucking Souls and Vibes,
welcome
man.
back to Charles and Vibes, guys. And as my bro, first of all, my bro, now must we go kag deep in a mix check.
In a mix.
Hawaii. Tulagan natin grati bawa, man. I don't wanna
Bro.
use it words, man, because
You
I
must use it
other
words,
podcast
man.
words use it, bro, man.
Use it words, man.
But Hawaii, you see, it's since our last episode, we want to speak about me getting a mood, man. Sine.
How far did it come, buddy?
About that and come far. But Hawaii, me, bro, I went into other brass profile, ne. And the
Yeah.
first post is yung friends kan, ne.
Pomacity,
On a post, me, bro.
uh,
And they sitting in different positions on that man's lap, man. Since
so she's sitting on
she's
different
sitting on his
positions.
lap in different positions, man. Like, and that man showing a world, ne. He's cock dominant, man. Since
Who said
he's cock
dominant?
dominant, ne. And as he's mochi. And what in bat you can slide, you can get no way, man. You see.
Nah, the girls nowadays, gay. Will post all at angles, ne.
Oh,
But it will still reply me, bro. That's why I say it's a
oh,
new
a
generation
new
now, bro.
generation.
2025, bro. So
Mm.
even if you post all the angles like you said, free,
Uh,
whatever, ne,
and
that's
then she's
gonna still, bro.
still
They will
answering
still
DMs.
answer, bro. That's why I say you must get your right one, bro.
A church can.
Even search can still way, bro. Don't trash any can. That is my thing.
Hey, bro, but
I
like,
only trash my can, but don't trash any.
don't trust other kindness.
Yeah,
All kindness is wrong.
I mean, he's still sleepy, guy.
Why, my bro? I need you to give us people full energy check.
I'm gonna gay.
Look, yeah, but I wanna on a different topic. I wanna speak about how difficult it is, man, for us adults to make bras.
How you mean?
Make new friends, man.
How is it difficult
Yeah,
for you?
yeah.
No, my
Like
bro, it's
right
not that tough.
friends. My bro, I'm not
Like,
speak about meeting people now, ne, and
not
maybe
seeing them
chatting with
again.
them.
Oh, I see what you
You
mean.
check.
But you can actually, it's just we decide not to.
My
Because
bro,
you can actually
God, we're
take
so
it person.
busy. It's a difficult part about being an adult.
Yeah,
Man.
nah, not the business. But I mean, like, we normally, like, we'll meet someone in just like a way shop ka, kung again.
Speak
But,
all night, ne, just to never meet them.
yeah,
Just
but if
wait.
we really wanted to, ne,
Mm.
we can take that person's contact details or whatever, and then make it so, or like, nah, what you
But
doing?
our pride, man,
But
is
yeah,
adults.
we
Like
won't do it.
we won't go out of our way, man.
And you
Like,
must be a certain type of person, man,
mm,
to click with it. You can be night the whole night. It's alright. But I'm gonna can keep up with how we are, I mean, because how we will make fool of each other and
yeah.
stuff. See, maybe at night you were just chill because it's
You
Muslim
were like
or
you
shit.
decided now you're gonna party as night. And now as meanwhile as people's party animals now you wanna be with them. Meanwhile you can't keep up.
Yeah, and not even that. Yeah, they wanna get people that wanna fight when they drunk
Now we
or sukak when they drunk. You see?
or they have problems of their own and you
Yeah,
just
and then
intervene
they
in it.
must now come tell us all their problem, kak. Which I don't have less for in us AIDS.
No way. And
You
it
see,
and
really,
that's
but I should notice, bro, like when you get to a certain age, you don't list for drama, you don't list for other people's stories, you don't list for all of that stuff, bro. You just have a lot to deal with, so now
you more
you just
focus on
focus on
yourself.
yourself, and you see, back in the day, you will, you're right, like you, how can I say, you will look out, man.
No way.
Now was it means say something.
It's always time to message other people and ask if is life
Yeah.
good.
You see, now it's like if I say something, it's like, but I don't know, it's less to deal with it. But I'll listen and but and give you advice, but I still
No way. Doesn't mean
don't
you're
have
gonna take
less.
it advice. 'Cause how many times we
No,
gave our
no one,
friends
no,
advice?
no one listens
No
to the
one
advice,
listens me, bro.
I don't know why they do it. Tell me what can I do? Yeah, you tell them. Yeah, they go to the opposite me, bro.
They wait till they ask everyone advice and then they take the advice they want to take.
Yeah,
You check.
they take it and then they just switch it, bro.
Mm,
And then they do the like one
one
part of
piece
it
of what you
of
told
you.
them.
Yeah, I did this, and then you know what I did? I did this,
No,
this.
opposite guy.
Then you're like,
Everything was
my
wrong
bro.
after it.
So why you asking me shit if you're gonna do it your own way? You check what I mean.
Uh,
So that's why I also stopped giving advice, me bro. I just
you
want
used to give
listen.
a lot of advice
Yeah,
at
you know,
first.
I used to give a lot advice, bro.
Uh, uh,
Then I stopped and I was like, hey bro, you can tell me your stories. I'm just gonna be like, away, away. Nah,
and so
nah,
you
nah.
know Daling gave. That's when you know Daling gave up on you, my bro. In a advice line, you see. But
Yeah,
yeah, sometimes that man really now give you advice, and that man you will notice that man is like caring. You see,
it is once in a while.
once in a
Once in a
while.
blue moon, yeah. So, yeah, bro.
Yeah,
We,
like I mean, like friendship in clubs, me bro. Like friendships in the clubs, ne, never make it out, ne, out of club unless you meet up with that person.
it's
Tell me
never
the last
like it's like I'm trying to think of someone that
you met
we
in a
met in
club,
a club and we still friends
chilled outside.
and chilled outside a lot after.
Mm.
I don't have one, bro.
No one comes to mind. Ne.
But I don't have one that like
Yeah, you
you
check.
see what I mean? Like I met in a club for the first time and
Mm.
then like
And guys never ask
friend.
each other numbers like girls ask each
And that
other
you
numbers.
notice guys when we like in a club and we chilling no one asks each other's names.
Yeah, they never, my
We just
bro,
say greet away. Yeah, we start to
speaking all
speak
night.
like we know each other for years and then
Oh no,
come
man,
home,
where is he from? Where is he?
stay
What he do for a job? But you
everything
won't know
except
his
his
name.
name. And we come in the next day we like, what was Ebra's name again? Just shit, I can't remember guy. You see. It's a hard thing about guys, me bro. And guys is like that when they ask something they wanna give. Yeah, okay, busang kakro. Then
Finish,
stop.
man.
But you know what I mean? They wanna give like, how can I say? Like someone will, nah, lend me us or whatever you lend them. And they're like, bro, here's money or
That
as I buy
way.
shots for us or
Yeah, I,
stuff like that.
yeah, I
As of
understand that.
guys, is girls is different, bro.
They just wanna
They will
speak.
say like maybe a girl will borrow something there, and then that girl then will be oh no problem,
Mm.
no bring it just back. Yeah, the girl walk it's just like us beats go or
She
something
can't
like
just
that.
come here and ask that
Yeah,
all of it, but it must be something wrong. But I'm not saying now all girls like that.
all
Is
girls is like
really
that. Yeah.
all girls like that.
No, I meant like
Oh,
I was
not
saying
all
what you
girls are
said.
like
Yeah,
that.
all girls
Mm.
it's like it, and girls will always know each other's names, bro.
Yeah,
Like know
always.
nothing about Makar
No,
next day.
nothing about each other, but
Oh, I know
and
for
they.
Iceland. I don't know what to do
Mm.
anymore. I can't remember. I didn't ask or something like that. They just speak about curly boa, makeup and stuff like that.
Uh,
But okay, we can't also say, bro, we don't know what they speak about.
no way, like,
But it's what I assume they speak about.
but
Because I know girls will know, like meet and then the next day they were like, nah, I don't know where I think love. I don't know where
they
this.
don't
They
know.
don't know nothing,
They
bruh,
just like that girl in that moment,
in that moment. You see,
and
and
they
that's
took
it's
that
so.
girl's number down
And
because
then
I
they
they
never
think
message.
that way. Or
Never,
they
bro.
message ne speak for it one day and
And
then it's
then
like a
it's
contact.
yeah, and then it's no more after it.
That
But
way.
some do, maybe I don't know.
You never know,
But
yeah.
guys never saw me, bro.
Never.
But we
But
still chill with it. But if we see him again,
but
we'll be best friends. Still,
we will
we'll act
always
like it's good.
greet, yeah.
Yeah, if you see him, Justy, my bro. When last did I see you? So, bro, like you check it, it's not bad, me, bro.
That's why we need one of our friends that's now female to now tell what happens to their friendships, man, after they take down the number.
Mm.
You see?
How's your take like since you're almost now single?
Mm,
How's your take? I also wanna hear like a girl's perspective of us. So like meeting someone in a club, how do you see that person? Do you like say my you now meet
yeah,
someone in a club and then you must now get busy like in a club and then next they come. How do you like do you like nah Skin can be like a girlfriend to me?
yeah.
Or you like nah I met in a club where they are I think she must know it's a one night stand. How do you see it? Do you
I,
also do it with like see the girls as a one night stand if you meet them in a club or like say like guys like Simon. Yeah, I know we're speaking cock about guys, but that way like we say um how can I say if that girl maybe wants something
mm,
and then we're like, is this girl mad guy? We met in a club, how do you expect us to now wanna date
yeah,
after meeting in a club? That's how most guys.
goes, yeah,
So how do you see it? Do you also see it like that or what?
me. I first of all, my bro, I don't go to club thinking I'm gonna date. I'm gonna go get me a mochi, my bro,
You
from a
see, that's
club.
why I
You see,
say guys think like that.
yeah, they don't go with the expectation of going to club, nah. This is where I'm gonna find my girlfriend. Eh. You
Mm,
see, I would rather feel more, nah. I'll find a girlfriend at the club, not a club block, house block or something.
okay,
That's
okay.
it. Like
So
you
what's
can
the
you
difference, man?
speak more.
Okay, you
You
speak
check, you
more,
speak more, and you start chatting lekker.
and I feel like it's more intimacy.
Yeah, like
Like
intimate, yeah, like
you
we,
get what I mean? It's
yeah.
more intimacy. But I don't know.
Yeah, females also, I doubt they go to the club with that mindset. Nah, I'm gonna get the man.
Yeah, but most of them, when they get someone and then
Mm.
they still chat and then they start to wanna date the person.
Yeah, but
Also,
the
what go?
girl will DM the guy or follow
That's
them,
why I
like
say
get
most.
posts. You check.
I don't know how. Maybe a girl must say it, but like
Yeah,
I don't know how they. I think like they go. Most of them go out to it
mentality.
wherever they go, they can find
They
their
can
husband.
find their husband.
That's how
Uh,
I think it is. Now, guys is different. We know where, and we know who, and we know what.
and I both not gonna
So if you,
change our mindset. Nah.
yeah, so if you in a like basically not saying bad, but if you in a club and we and a guy, our mindset is already nail, never date this thing.
No way.
Yeah, like because I was gonna sound hard, man, but like it's gonna be like for us, it's like nah, she's easy. If that makes
No
sense.
way.
Like I could get you in an hour's time to go dial.
No way.
You get what I mean? Now, how many times didn't you maybe us go to club? How many guys maybe didn't get in an hour? That's how
Yeah,
guys think, but
uh,
maybe this girl don't even like you. What the
she,
first,
you
bruh?
makkelijke first,
Yeah,
bruh.
but guys already put that
In
mindset
her
as
mind,
we,
nah.
you see.
If she done
So
it
it's
for
like,
you, she done it for others. You get me?
yeah, that's why I say. But I was just
But
going
I
deep.
came here, yeah, we went deep. I just asked about friendships, man. I wanted to throw my bond, man, about
Trauma, boy.
how we,
Trauma, one buddy.
how people cacking in unisex toilets, my bro.
Ah,
My
ah,
bro at the
we,
club, my
that
bro.
happened once.
My bro, when was it? Than last of last week or whatever, I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably when was out now. What you call it? It was a unisex toilet, my bro. We
Mm,
were waiting in line. The girl in front of me goes in, and there's a girl next to me.
mm.
The other girl just opened the toilet, bruh. It's like a child fucking just breathing shit, me, bro. You see her face go like that, me, bro.
Yeah.
And other girl next to me, and we laugh, me, bro. All I know is I'm not going in the toilet, me, bro.
Awe,
Like,
awe.
me, bro, why you coming straight from span away ever, me, bro, to club?
Nah,
You
and you
see?
go do it, bro. That
And
is made it. Ever happened to me also at the club even, bro. Like we were standing by the door waiting. Because the one door's toilet didn't, the water wasn't
working.
working. Then I had to use the other one, so I had to wait. So every time someone come, I say, now you can use that toilet. Anyways,
Mm.
and those three girls is taking long, and I'm checking what's going on. I even knocked on the door. Anyways, yeah, they eventually come out, all three of them. Chip, they first look at me like in a shock, man.
Uh,
Now I'm like, oh, do I know them or what? But anyway, they come out. Yeah, I go in, close the door. First thing I see
don't you
us
smell it potency or did it spray?
that look like they're spray because
Uh,
at first you don't get it well. But then I looked and then I just saw like few floater keys.
I know.
And I saw a few floater keys and I'm like, what the hell, guy?
Uh,
And I say, flash. As that thing is flashing, I wash my face. Something say, nee, look again, me.
uh,
I look.
ito man
That
still
stuff is still there, bruh.
blocking on a floater.
They still blocking me. But and I know if I go out, whoever sees me
Mm.
is gonna think it's
Check
my
your new
floaters.
cutting eh.
Bruh, I look at toilet paper. There's no toilet
My
paper, bruh.
bro.
I flash. I think don't go down is disgusting, bro, when it's happy. But I
Uh,
have to do it.
you
If
have
I
to do
don't,
it. How they put your rib down in the
you
floor. You
see,
see?
and I must now still chill all night. So that girl's gonna, or boy's gonna see it, but he's gonna
Uh,
go tell his friends. That friend's gonna look me funny every time they see
ay,
me
dala
walk.
na kakat.
You see,
You know, nee, there's other kind, there's
yes,
other girls,
yes.
and you're gonna check, nee,
You
that's
check.
all cutting at
Yes,
crabs.
I'm panicking at time.
Uh,
I say flash. I think the winner. I wait. I check you. I see toilet paper laying on the ground, bruh.
uh,
More I will never do it again, but
uh,
I had to. I say pick it like that up. I just throw, throw and eats floater key.
uh,
I flash. It will go down.
uh,
I mean,
take
say
away.
relief. I say wash my hands, face again. Pick.
Who was outside the door?
Oh, was two kinders.
Don't give, bro.
Hey, they go in. I say, okay, nee, I'm safe.
So,
And then I'm gonna see it floater.
but
I look, I made
they're
sure,
gonna
ne.
look at you like it's you, maybe.
Away, and I made sure, ne, when I flashed it last time,
Mm,
Ebo went. You can
yeah,
see it's gone. But I still waited that few seconds, man. What if it once say game back up? I see, oh, no,
uh,
nothing. I say, pick up, bro. I say,
but I
okay.
saw it
How
in
you
that
go?
bathroom. It
And
was like on the toilet roll. It was at one layer. You know, one
there
layer.
wasn't even one layer by me.
Is it? So that
Nothing.
one that fell down straight
There was
from
just
it.
like
Uh,
some that I think someone that maybe
uh,
tried and it fell because it
yeah.
was water, so it was a
Uh,
little wet, I think.
uh,
So yeah,
it's
that
just
ones I
safe,
used.
bro.
Bruh. And
Hey,
and
bro.
it is mad at me.
It is, my bro. Like, my bro. You know, people's waiting outside his door for you, my bro.
Oh
You check.
we like how do you get a courage to do it, bro?
If I understand, okay, some people, it's like you have no choice
And you the three girls so they sing Makar taking a shit
taking a cock, my bro.
and they covering for this kid now.
Oh,
Trying to
yeah.
help us spray and
Sprayin all of it, probably why bakin.
yeah.
Joking, I'm joking.
Yeah,
Uh,
eh. So yeah, how can I say? I wanted to ask like questions, man.
now we ask question, my bro.
Like back in the day questions, man.
Mm.
Like me, you, Miro, Chan. What do you think like falls in love fast?
Of
Of
our
all,
friends
yeah, of all the friends. Like in girl, like when I meet a girl.
in a meet ago.
Yeah.
As as me, oh Miro. I feel like it's Miro. Number one, my bro.
Yeah, Miro is definitely number one.
Uh,
You see, I didn't see it.
uh,
So I can't say you, but I feel like it's you second.
Miro stay number one.
And Miro is definitely number one. It mean quick. I mean like once he like you, man, and
Mm.
it's over. And it means gonna keep liking you. So he's number one, you number two.
Yeah, but when my
Uh,
first relationship, I wasn't in love when I started dating. You see,
how you mean?
when I
Okay,
started dating,
yeah,
I done it to see if I can be in a like you check it, bro.
how
Cause
you mean now?
They were making hati up in my house, man. They were saying I'm scared to be in a relationship, man. Which
Wait, so you
because
were
I'm scared of heartbreak, they did ways.
so you were busy with her at time.
No, I was chatting to that person,
Okay, what
and then
chatting? And then
we did start
then you
dating.
told the people you chatting to this person. Because how do they know? Or did they just say it like in general?
Yeah, I said in general.
Okay.
I had to ask where's this location. It was where she stayed. You see,
Okay. Okay.
and then I
And then
knew,
they
and then
figured, oh, you're
nah,
chatting to someone while you're
and
asking
then
locations.
now they said I'm afraid to get my heart broken. That's why I just say okay, nah.
You're not
Eh,
gonna.
yeah, if a chance come up to date someone, I'm gonna mistake it. But you see,
Hmm.
but I wasn't in love so much immediately. No, but I knew
Yeah,
her.
yeah,
You
yeah. I
see,
get you. So you only
in the
did it.
chatting phase, I wasn't in love. Like,
So you only did it, ne, to prove your family wrong.
no, I didn't do it to prove my family wrong.
Ah, but
I
that.
was wanted to experience as well for myself. I'm
How
like,
was it though?
what nga?
Nah.
But the way I fell in love in a bonus.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
before the bonus,
Yeah,
bro.
no, I almost didn't say anything, bro.
Away.
So I didn't say anything.
Anyway, how was your mindset? Your first date? Come and tell me about us chatting, maybe online dating.
How you mean like a
Your
first
real person in
first date?
person dating.
Like first person
Uh,
I dated in like how
go your mindset going into it, bro.
I can't say first person because then it's like I think I was young at that time, so
Mm.
you
Your
don't
right
count. But
relation.
like I mean like a proper one, like I would win.
Oh, okay, now your first one. What's
No, I
going
mean
through
not
your
the
mind? You don't
first
remember
one,
what
man.
went through
I
your mind.
can't even remember, but I was just there. You know, my that man, you chatting
Mm.
and you ask online, you wanna
Oh,
be my girl? You said
girlfriend.
once, man.
Oh,
That's why I said at least you can't count
now
that.
the first time your girlfriend told you you must ask them in person. That was your first right relationship, or did you
Okay,
ask them
yeah.
online also?
I didn't ask online. I did ask in person.
Mm.
But it was a discussion before that already.
Yeah, it
So
is a discussion,
yeah,
but they
so it's
still
not.
want you to must do it in
Yeah, so it
person. You
was
see,
like just, and I wasn't
were you
romantic.
already
I wasn't romantic, bro. So I am
were
romantic,
you
but
in love at time?
nah, nah.
Oh,
It was just checking the vibes out.
you that
Because
what?
we did just check, nah, we're gonna keep it on a secret. Like,
Mm.
not like just busy with each other, but
Oh,
not take it anyway.
oh, you didn't
But
want
then,
people to know.
yeah, no one knew. We was like
Mm.
for a while, bro. And then afterwards, it almost now
Yeah,
develop, and then people start to find out. And then we also like, hey, okay, it was being longer than expected. And
yeah.
then,
In
yeah,
Miro now, in Miro, you feel like me fall in love who
I feel
after.
like we are lit, ne.
I may
Then
not really have expectations
he put his mindset
to some
to
people
that
is
person. Like,
with that
nah,
person.
I, I I'm falling in love with this person, or I actually
I
love
could
this
fall
person,
for this
or I
person.
could fall in love with this person. So I'm gonna put my heart now on this person.
On a line.
And then I started dating. He's already in it. Nah,
Uh,
that is my person.
uh,
You see, that's how I feel like his mindset is,
but
which is
it's,
not wrong.
yeah,
None, it's anyone is right. But
yeah,
I'm
but
just saying. It
in
was a question, man. I
in
just
a
thought about
in a
like how the
series,
guys
my
is.
bro, like in this American series, my bro, like yesterday I watched. This girl is like dating us, bro, for a while, but like not long, my bro. She like just feel nah. As bro is like she actually don't feel what as bro. Like he goes out of his way, man,
To do stuff.
to do things for us. And it's not for, but like she not feeling it, boy, at the
Uh,
moment, man. And now as bra, they grew up together. You see,
mm,
he's doing
the
like
most.
bare minimum, ne, but it mean more.
Okay.
And she's feeling it more. And a boyfriend can see us, bro. My bro, meanwhile, us man is doing
At most.
everything, me bro, in his power, taking a
Yeah.
way and all of it. But I both tell me nothing, me bro.
As I say, girl put also mindset. Once she likes someone,
Mm,
it's even if she date other people sometimes, ne,
Yeah,
she will still think about that one
that one
person.
person.
You see,
Unless
and
this
then it
person
don't
she
work.
have do something ultimate.
Yeah, then it don't work out between the two. Then Brasi, not long after the Brasi, yeah, things in dating it, bruh.
No way.
And you're
Kaya
like,
mine was already
you
there.
see a minus already there.
Mm,
That's why I say girls is different. Uh,
yeah.
don't you ever question, buddy?
Nee, as bawas kak intimate me bro.
Oh,
I
wait,
didn't
it
want
was
to
a
speak as
serious one.
deep, bro.
Yeah, I was checking up on my cut and stuff, but I had a convo went too deep.
Ah, way the convo needed, man. People
Now
needed
we,
to hear as bo makkelijk.
you
As
see,
Valentine's coming up, you
coming up
see.
also. And everything, bruh. But yeah, we have to do more now, bruh.
Ah, way.
Like I said again, we're still deciding. But I feel like we're gonna do it, man. I have a feeling
You
we must put our
believe it,
mindset.
bro.
But that is maybe in middle of a year.
Mm.
We're gonna have our own event company, not the event
Event
company,
company, just say event.
event.
That
Sorry,
will be nice though.
but yeah, we're
Will
gonna
be
have our
hectic,
own events.
difficult, and people seem like it's stress or lose money, but the way.
Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be what? What's the name gonna be?
But it
Chills and
like,
Vibe.
ah, way. Chosen vibes.
Chills and Vibes. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be the name of the thing. But we're still gonna
Zid ay. Wat say that? You know, just
something.
everything is something
Yeah,
zid ay.
yeah.
Uh,
But
uh.
we're gonna start to do that. But
But
yeah,
that's
we
if.
have to work on logos and
Yo, my bro, it's a lot. Say if we get
finding
money,
finding
funds.
out about how much it costs and all of it. We're
Uh,
starting to do that now.
but don't like put that boy in your mind. Yeah, someone is definitely gonna
Yeah,
eventually.
it's just a thought to mine.
That's thought
Yeah,
would be nice.
yeah, and we're gonna. I feel like what we said. I don't wanna spoil the stuff, but like what we said, ne, um, we're gonna we're gonna have event, ne, but there's like small stuff that we see at
Mm.
events that can be better because it comes as every time we go to event, it's the same thing, man.
Yeah,
If
you
that
can
makes
like
sense.
see what works and what
Why
doesn't work.
doesn't like it's a few stuff, but I'm not gonna say it. I
Mm.
wanted people to see if we
See
do
it
have
for
it.
themselves.
Yeah, but it will be fire, bro, because we have a lot in mind. But the thing is putting it to action as a thing. But
Mm.
as a plan, me bro, we can
Yeah,
do it. I feel like we can do
we
it.
can. Yeah,
You
we put
see,
our mind if we actually want it.
yeah, and there's gonna be a banger guy. I'm telling you,
Now
we must make
we
that
doing
club.
podcast. We don't care what people think.
You
We
check.
bro
We
already. You
must,
check it out.
yeah, we must dial at club. At club is
Uh,
gonna be more full gay. We must make like that guy.
but yeah, those who are gonna spend Valentine's Day, you have any advice other than don't spend too much money on people who don't deserve it, bro?
Now we,
Oh, why?
how
If they don't
we
deserve it, bro, don't.
don't.
Especially Owens, my bro.
They
Always the
like to go
Owens.
hard, guy.
They go hard, ne?
I wouldn't
For
say
no reason,
trip
kaya
to Cape Town.
trip to Cape Town, buy a million gifts.
Yeah,
Meanwhile, a girl don't care about a million gifts.
you
Maybe a
see,
sentimental gift, me, bro.
you check. But yeah, ne,
You wanna give Owens advice, me, bro? Mr.
I don't wanna
Relationship,
give.
man.
I don't wanna give my tips off, man. Now they come
Oh,
copy me, man.
now, okay, tell him at least something what he mustn't do.
What I imagine do? How can I say? What I imagine do? If you're in a solid relationship, I feel like the little things matter, man, to a girl. So try to think out of a box. Don't just make it normal. Like example, if you're planning like going on a trip or taking her somewhere, don't advise in advance. Okay, okay, if she's working, that's a different
Mm,
plan. But if she's working also, don't try to tell her, babes, don't you wanna take us days off? Uh, something of my father have to do. Me and you must go to his family function or something.
mm,
Can't you already planning a trip? Then you
yeah,
surprise her with a trip. You see, little things like that. Instead of now just telling her, babes, take off. We're gonna go on a trip. She will like it, obviously the same, but it will be much better. Imagine you're riding in yours. You're like, nah, we on our way now to.
yeah, she checked you, sir.
Then yeah, then
Where's your father and
where's your
mother?
you check and then you
Meanwhile,
was
it's
like,
just
and
used
you're
to.
like, is it? And then it's, ah, here
Now
she go
we
made. So that's why I say like little stuff
get them
matters, bruh.
unexpected
Yeah, get him unexpected.
and they say
As
span.
a lazy span. Way. But yeah, nee, it was a deep one.
Yeah, we
Till
like
the
and
next time.
subscribe, guys.
Yes. But we're gonna do mad stuff, man. We're just trying to bring it back. That's why we're doing this podcast.
Actually,
But
having a talk with the people, it's like for once.
yeah. But yeah, next time we're gonna come mad. We're gonna do mad stuff,
We
man,
do
bro.
mad
We're
stuff.
gonna do blind dates. We're gonna do interviews. We're gonna have event maybe. But yeah, we're gonna do lots of other
That's I
stuff.
follow the page now already, me
Yeah,
bro.
to know to keep you updated. Please like and subscribe also, guys.
Ebo mean a lot to us. Ebo actually,
It may mean nothing
Ebo,
to me,
me
man.
Ebo mean,
I just wanted to
Ebo
do
make
it,
us
man.
want to actually do more, you see. For me, my bro, Ebo,
I
yeah,
just
bro.
want them to do it, man. It mean nothing to me. It's okay.
Ebo mean, yeah, but Ebo mean nothing to us, man.
We have was free, bruh.
Ah,
Just to
wait,
press the
bro.
finger.
Ebo just say,
But the people wanna
click
put a
subscribe, like one button,
but they
bro.
wanna put a finger for 5 minutes somewhere they wasn't supposed to.
Ah, where
Just
people pee. They want to put their hands where people pee, ne?
yeah, but
But they
when
won't put their hands on the
we
subscribe button.
subscribe, bruisers.
Come right, man, guys.
Please.
Please, you don't ask much. And like and share, just to three bras. You might have a group chat, send it to the group chat. Don't still
Uh,
waste your time sending it
now even if you
outwards.
watch the video,
Send it to
the
your
first
anime
two
group, send it to
minutes.
your club friends. My bro, maybe one of them need to hear something on us, bro.
Mm. But yeah, we're gonna do mad stuff. We're gonna do pranks also, bruh. I
We're
wanna
gonna
do prank.
prank old people.
Yeah,
I'm
I
joking.
have a plan, man. I have a prank, but what to do? It's gonna
Mm,
be fun.
no way.
But yeah,
No
and we
way.
must do lots of TikToks also, man.
No way. I wanna do TikToks, me bro,
How
especially
we,
like dance TikToks.
how
I
we,
wanna actually like practice a dance and see if I look nice in it,
because
bro.
it is not a thing to like each one get a TikTok challenge.
Mm,
And then you must come on it, they prepared, and then you must do the
do
challenge
the
alone,
challenge.
and then we see who gets the most of likes and views.
Uh,
You see,
no way.
so we will randomly choose. Okay, you're gonna do this TikTok or this
Or they
dance,
can send us,
or
what if
they
they
can
send
send.
us in the comments
You see
a
a
challenge, ne?
challenge, and then one of
And
us
then we
have to
must,
do it,
yeah.
and then we can, yeah.
Or
But
we all
anyway,
do it.
if you're looking for Manir, that man is gonna be out just for these 2 episodes. Next
No way.
episode, he must be
He
in it.
must be in.
Yeah, so he will be back. He is gonna be back. He's not out of a podcast. But yeah, it is from us, from it Souls and Vibes. So please have a good weekend. Please like and subscribe from the Souls and the fucking Vibes.